I boil milk for the children. I boil milk for the children. I bake bread for the family. I bake bread for the family. I wrap bread in cotton cloth. I wrap bread in cotton cloth. I make tea for my husband. I make tea for my husband. I feed my kids fresh food. I feed my kids fresh food. I serve food to my husband. I serve food to my husband. I fan my husband while eating. I fan my husband while eating. I pack lunch for my husband. I pack lunch for my husband. I fill the metal water bottles. I fill the metal water bottles. I hang the iron frying pans. I hang the iron frying pans. I teach daughters how to cook. I teach daughters how to cook. I help the kids with their lessons. I help the kids with their lessons. I fill the clay pitcher with water. I fill the clay pitcher with water. I fill the large grain bins. I fill the large grain bins. I store onions in hanging baskets. I store onions in hanging baskets. I braid the garlic into ropes. I braid the garlic into ropes. I dry red chilies on roof. I dry red chilies on roof. I carry the baby on hip. I carry the baby on hip. I blow air into the fire. I blow air into the fire. I fry the onions until brown. I fry the onions until brown. I shell peas with my kids. I shell peas with my kids. I wash spinach in canal water. I wash spinach in canal water. I wipe the kids' messy faces. I wipe the kids' messy faces. I hand tea to my husband. I hand tea to my husband. I slice fruit for the family. I slice fruit for the family. I feed the cats some milk. I feed the cats some milk. I store the jaggery in tin boxes. I store the jaggery in tin boxes. I watch the children play in dirt. I watch the children play in dirt. I pile the dry wood high. I pile the dry wood high. I pull weeds from the patch. I pull weeds from the patch. I line the glass jars in rows. I line the glass jars in rows. I roast corn on open flames. I roast corn on open flames. I pickle lemons for my husband. I pickle lemons for my husband. I pick greens from the patch. I pick greens from the patch. I call my husband for lunch. I call my husband for lunch. I spread wheat grains on the mat. I spread wheat grains on the mat. I fill the trough with fresh water. I fill the trough with fresh water. I store the salt in a ceramic jar. I store the salt in a ceramic jar. I carry the bundle of sticks home. I carry the bundle of sticks home. I stack clay bowls upside down. I stack clay bowls upside down. I squeeze the juice from the lemons. I squeeze the juice from the lemons. I char the eggplant over the open flame. I char the eggplant over the open flame. I soak chickpeas in a clay bowl. I soak chickpeas in a clay bowl. I sweep the dusty kitchen floor. I sweep the dusty kitchen floor.